What a gorgeous day we had today. And a lot of people had the day off, so it was nice they got to go out and enjoy that beautiful weather.
Yes, nice and warm, toasty.
Absolutely.
After a nice cool morning. Get out in the sun, and yeah, we got about 10 degrees above normal today. So we hit 77 at SeaTac, 80 in Renton. Just running off these high temperatures, it's pretty amazing to get up into the mid-70s here on a May day. As we see now downtown, we have clear skies currently, but clouds are going to be on the increase overnight tonight. What really increased today under the sunshine and warm temperatures was the grass and the weed pollen. They are up to moderate now. As we go to temperatures, currently we've cooled off to 58 degrees in Seattle, so it still feels fairly nice outside. Low clouds along the coast are rushing inland. We've had a little increase in the wind speed as we get to parts around Hood Canal where that wind is rushing in. That cooler air is taking temperatures down a little quicker for Shelton. It's at 53 right now. The satellite will show the low clouds all along the coast beginning to make its southward and southeast movement. Olympia now getting more clouds into the picture. You're definitely going to have a cloudy morning to start out tomorrow. The rest of us, we're going to get another dry day. The mountains, though, you did get a few isolated thunderstorms in addition to some rain showers. The thunderstorm activity, that's tapering off now that the sun is set and we're losing energy. But here at the low cloud cover, it's really getting thick and low around Aberdeen, down to Raymond. We'll see that continue. University of Washington, the atmospheric model shows us this high resolution as those west-north winds as the onshore wind basically increases, it pulls in the low cloud cover to start our morning. But by the time we get just past noon, we're going to have mostly sunny skies in our inland cities, staying a little cloudier on the coast. This is going to repeat as we get into tomorrow night. And ultimately what happens is it keeps our clouds or keeps our temperatures cooler in the morning and keeps them down as highs too. So today, spectacular if you like hot weather, but that's going to be moving out. High pressure is getting a little closer to us, starting to build up over us, and in fact going all the way up into Canada. That's really going to bring us clearing in the afternoons, but no low clouds by the time we hit the last few days of the work week. So that means temperatures are going to be on a climb upwards here. 54 for Seattle overnight as you wake up in the morning. For Everett, 52, also around 52 for Bellingham. Lots of sunshine will come through, especially Bellingham. You're going to have less morning cloud cover tomorrow, but the rest of us farther south, Skagit and King County, Pierce, Lewis, we're all going to be in the clouds to start before mostly sunny skies comes through. High temperatures topping out upper 60s to low 70s, so about 6 degrees cooler than today. But that's normal for this time of year. So we're going to have temperatures close to normal both tomorrow and as we get into our Wednesday morning cloud cover part of the story. Temperatures get back to the low to mid 70s Thursday and Friday. Plenty of sunshine, mid 70s on Saturday, but Sunday, another little change comes in. It'll bring us a chance of a few showers late in the day into early Monday. But all together, this feels more like summertime.